What's up, YouTube? Alright, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble a Smart Parts Ion. Okay, found my Allen wrenches. Regular Smart Parts Ion. The only upgrade in here I have is a firebolt, so that wouldn't really make a difference. Alright, what you gotta do first is take the grips off. I'm going to take them off on the other side because I stripped one of mine because I'm a dumbass. 1 second. The 5/64th Allen wrench to disassemble this. Well, the grips at least. Alright, there's the battery. And then you got 3 screws. 2 right here and here, and 1 inside of here. Now what you're going to need to do is grab a 1/8 Allen wrench. Take these off. Bitch. And I already took off the screw in here. Now there's a screw right up in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Alright, you gotta take that off. Okay. Now remember, this screw is a lot smaller than the other screws. And just gently pull that up and you'll see the board. Now, these hoses right here are connected to the top of here. So what we need to do is we got to get an Allen wrench right here and right here, and that'll disconnect the hoses from the board to the top of the gun. And there's also a little wire right here that hooks up to the eyes. You have to take that off too. So just give me 1 second and I'll do that. Okay, now it's disconnected. All you gotta do is just slide that right out. And now unscrew this. And here's the bolt. Let's pull it out. Grease it up a little bit. And it'll be good. Alright. That's how to take apart a Smart Parts Ion. Thank you, YouTube.